Good morning, everyone. We're here at Mr. Hunter and his GMC, and we're going to be putting a nice big turbo on it. So we got to hear it first for a nice. Oh yeah! You want to give it a little. Oh, all right, that's beautiful. That's beautiful.
We have to flush the coolant, right?
Wrong size.
Here's another question: aren't you supposed to change the oil when you do a turbo swap?
You can, as long as you don't get a bunch of poop in there. You love salami?
I just like bringing guns around. Even though, like, you have to like kissing your sister. I mean, it kind of is. People like geek out over Banks because he says a couple things. Yeah, I mean, I'm not the biggest Bank supporter. He makes cool stuff, but it's just triple the price for no reason. You have to drain the coolant? I don't think so. I think we just let it dribble out of that line right there. It's pressurized, isn't it? It won't be forever. Put that down there. All this is going to come unplugged. I hate those clips. They hurt. Is that all stained? Because the Y bridge has to come out, doesn't it?
Yeah. Is it getting replaced?
No.
No. Why?
Why is the Y bridge not getting replaced?
Yeah.
Well, they have an upgraded Y bridge, but
Unloosen it. Get it to break loose a little. Come on, you got to use your Pelican. Oh yeah, a little more, and then you can go with the Weasel. Oh, a little more, a little more. Oh yeah. Isn't that nice? All right, you got 17 more. And if for some reason the turbo doesn't work, we're gonna shoot the truck. Maybe one day I'll get to work on my truck too.
oh, that's a different diameter. That's so annoying. Make wrenches that are like what you need, but both like really thin. Honestly, like a pair of needle nose would be better than this.
Yeah, they make those. You'll get it though. Quarter turn at a time. Come on, Cliff. Oh yeah, loosen the mouthpiece. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Fuck, I'm scared. How quiet is that?
You couldn't even hear it. And it's jammed. souvenir.
That one's a little.
Hello, Miguel.
You got park in the grass.
In the grass?
Yeah.
You sure? I don't want to ruin your nice grass. It looks really nice. Dude.
It is. It's hay.
Careful. No, don't.
All right, we got the Hiroshima hair dryer about to come off.
By the way, I forget how obnoxiously quiet the Rattler is.
Mm-hmm.
Underhand it really quick. There you go. All right, here's an AK pop.
Wow. Wow.
I don't want to shoot this again. Supers are too loud. Two.
Did you play well?
Yeah.
Are those tight?
Yeah.
How tight?
Pretty fucking tight. Just trying not to break something here.
What do you say? Trying not to break something?
Did you break it? You broke it loose? You want some spray jizz? You want pastrami?
Is it your pastrami?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
The Nagasaki nail clipper?
I really hope the Nagasaki nail clipper. I love that. Who said that?
I just did.
I like that one. What'd you call it? What'd you call it, Cliff?
Hiroshima hair dryer.
That one's hilarious. I've only heard Nagasaki
You
noise
sending me some the other night, dude. I was crying.
I hope that actuator works on the new turbs.
Why wouldn't it?
Love to hear it. I just looked for all the reasons for this to go south. That impact's not going to break my windshield, is it?
No, as long as it doesn't go by itself.
So what are we trying to get off right
Fucking
now?
lick that thing.
Listen to me in the background of the video. So what are we trying to get off now? What are we working on here?
We're about to get you off, dude.
What are you guys even doing?
Yeah.
I'm gonna drop,
When's it going to be able to go? Whoosh?
I'm gonna drop a bolt in your turbo. What did you do to my hat, dude? I'll put it on, dude. My hair's so bad.
Don't put those
Put it
bolts
on.
there. You could lose all that.
We're not gonna lose. Where's it gonna go? Where's it gonna go, dude? Get out of my fucking face.
All right.
Unless you want to kiss me.
Oh,
That can be arranged.
Oh, dude, it's ready.
You're gonna have to finger my butt if you want a discount.
Okay.
Not you.
Oh. Oh, cheeseburgers are here. Mmm.
You're going to need our whole plan.
Mm. I have my hoist.
You can hand it over here. I can grab it.
I'm trying to see what's fighting me right now. I think it's this bullet clip I got on.
Of course. Science. Science? Oh yeah, it's coming. Oh, oil drain.
It's loose. It's unbolted. I just think that's what's fighting me, and I'm hitting this fucking.
The cheeseburger deluxe.
Is there something else? Can't be. Fucking can't be. I might have to loosen the downpipe.
I have my engine hoist.
Oh, it's flipping cool and
Give it
everywhere.
to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give. Come. Oh, ooh. Oh. Hey.
Oh my god. Wasn't it supposed to come with the new,
new what? What's that for the B?
the
A new what?
pedestal?
No.
Alright, we're gonna put the new one in. It's on backwards. Perfect. Do I know what I'm doing? No. Nope. Want me to pass it?
Sure.
Let's reverse mount it. Scare me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna shit my pants. I know. Oh yeah, the Venus. The Venus is in. It's gonna drop. It's gonna fucking drop, dude. It's gonna crush my fingers. I know. Shimmy, shimmy. Oh, yeah. It's crumbing. Where are the dowels? There are the dowels! Oh, that's nice. It's pretty nice, Miguel. Way nicer than the other
Great job, Miguel.
Is it in?
Oh, it's in. Oh, yes.
Can you see all 4 holes?
No.
Okay.
Crack between the valves.
Yep.
A bunch of them.
Turbo's in. We're gonna flash a new big turbo file onto it. Alright, doing the tranny tune now. Then we can fire her up. I can fire her up. Yeah.
So it should start smoking a little.
Let's do a little puff.
His 15s just walled it out because he doesn't take care of nothing.
Oh man.
Did you get it loose? Oh, you fucking.
Oh. Oh.
Coolant come out?
So much coolant. It's only coolant.
No, like the hilarious. Me?
No. Steve.
On mine?
Why? Because they're cut? Only one of them's short, Cliff.
Oh, it's so tight. Look at the nut.
Oh, dude, you're not even in the lock. Look at some new bolts, man. What are you doing? Which one is this? That driver's side. That's not even in the lock.
Oh.
I had to cut the brake.
Oh. Stupidest design. What is that?
I need to retort that. It's because I couldn't get it in off the arm.
What is that? It's not even hitting the nile.
As the smooth surface of a putting green, an osteochondral
That's why I
defect is
have
like a
one of those
nasty
on the
divot,
putting
ruining your game. To fix it, we use a small plug of
Like a bat.
Waves out like a back thing.
No, I don't even get that far.
Yo, you want to see Mike giggle? Just get in that back thing at the waves.
Uh-oh.
What? We gotta put the coolant in.
No, start it.
No drain plug in it.
I gotta watch my horses and steeds. Hey! You want to drive? I'm staying. That's it. Going on the test drive. Hopefully nothing explodes. That's it. That's it. That's it.